that we were doing print media, we were doing electronic media, radio was big at that standpoint.
So, what motivates you basically to work in this marketing and communication, and how you motivate your team as well?
From the office boy to the senior leadership, you will find people who have been there in the system since more than a decade.
So, hi everyone, we have with us Divya Taneja, GM Marketing from Expression 360. Let's have some word with her. Hi, ma'am. First of all, welcome to the show. Thank you so much. So, first of all, tell me what inspired you to join Expression 360 as a GM Marketing?
Okay. So this question has two layers to it. I joined Expression 13 years back. So I definitely didn't join as GM marketing, but this was a journey, from ground up, you can say. So at that point, I had joined at a mid senior level. And of course, the hunger and the passion and the clarity that my MD, Mr. Mohit Gupta, had is what actually made me sign into this. And what I actually stepped into and what inspired me the most was that I had got an opportunity to build something, to create something from ground up. So that was the main.
So, you joined it 13 years back. Yes. So, tell our viewers something about Expression 360, what we do, and something like this.
So Expression 360, we were a traditional agency back then when we started. So traditional agency, by traditional agency, we mean that we were doing print media, we were doing electronic media, radio was big at that standpoint. So we were doing all traditional stuffs. But then as the market evolved, a lot of tech came in, a lot of new platforms came in. So hence we also evolved with that. And today we proudly say that we are a 360-degree Marcom solutions providers.
Like each and everything, one stop solution.
One-stop solution, whether it is radio, whether it is television, whether it is events, whether it is exhibitions, whether it is domestic or international, everything, TR, social media. So the entire, the thought process of my MD, Mr. Mohit Gupta, was to build something which provides its clients a one-stop solution under one roof.
That's great. So, what challenges you face in this journey with Expression 360?
The challenges, because it was 13 years back. The challenges at that standpoint were very different. Reason being that the perception, I think the main issue was that of perception, how we were perceived in the industry. Reason being, we work for very high stake clients. We are working for ministries, we are working for PSU, government, we are working for government, we are working for Maharatnas and Navratnas of the country. So the stakes are very high. And we were new, we were raw. So that perception externally towards the clients that, okay, we do have this capability and the capacity was something, which I look at as the biggest challenge. And internally, this was external. But when I talk about internal, this thing, we had to hustle and, build all things parallelly. The right team, the right process, and the brand building of expression also.
Exactly.
So yeah, actually, yeah.
So, you told me that you joined this company 13 years back. So, how old is this brand, Expression 360?
So expression is around 30 years old, but it was taken over by my MD. I was not know exactly, but I think around 15 to 16 years back. So I was one of the founder employees at Delhi Batch. Yeah.
So, what's one decision or one approach that turned into a valuable lesson?
Okay. So I think there cannot be singularity while we talk about one decision because it has been a long journey. But one thing that I learned very early in my career was that less is more. Yeah. So while I say less is more, I would want to say in marketing terms, I would want to say that less is more impactful. So you need to get into the depths of it while you're doing content, because as a marketing, when you look at things from the marketing standpoints, from the marketing lens, I would say you always hustle and you always intend to do the basic instinct of a marketing person is to do more, more content, more campaigns, more. But I feel that we need to take a pause, take a step back, and first understand what am I trying to achieve. What am I trying to achieve? what I want to do. Exactly. What is my client wanting? What is the problem in hand? What is the solution? Client basically. Exactly. So take a step back, pause, and do less content, but more impactful content. So one piece of content would be would do more justice to things rather than doing 10 pieces of content. For example, right now we are talking at us exactly quality over quantity. So like right now we are talking, maybe 10 questions of yours will not be able to tell my journey, but maybe only one question.
Yeah, crispy and 2 or 3 questions. It would get everything capacity. So that's really great. So what advice you want to give to the young aspiring professional who are coming into the same field of yours, like marketing and communication?
Okay. So I think the journey of each of the professional is different. But I would, of course, talk about it with whatever journey I have. Probably the journey of 30 years, you should get it. Yes. Yes. So I think stay curious, stay grounded, and stay open to unknown. So I would say that be open to start small because leadership comes with consistency and not switching your job whenever from one place.
Just cut to one place.
Yeah.
Okay, the last thing is what's next step you will be taking at this Expression 360? What's the future of
Or like the future for expression. So expression 360, the core of expression is what we believe in. There are a lot of players in the market who are doing events, who are doing exhibitions, who are doing brand campaigns, TVCs and this and that. But what we believe and the main mantra that we believe in is that we are not just the executors. We are not just executors. We are actually storytellers. We are narrative setters. So we look at ourselves to not just be an execution partner for our clients, that okay, there's this project and just deliver it, but we believe in coming to the client side of the table, understanding their requirements, understand and being a part of their journey, and hence the narrative setting part plays a very important role, and I think that is the space that we would want to strengthen for. And yeah, and being a part of this long journey, it of course excites me because I think possibilities, the scale of possibilities is what is keeping me and my team and my senior leadership thriving. Because scale of possibilities, possibility of new platforms, possibilities of technology, possibilities of going deeper into the levels of technology and AI and everything. So that is what excites us.
So how many total employees or team member you have right now?
We are, yeah, we are around, we are 100 plus people kind of a thing.
Okay. So what motivates you basically to work in this marketing and communication, and how you motivate your team as well?
All right. So that is a good question. Again, for me, it is, so my MD, Mr. Mohit Gupta and me, we have a very close, a small pact that whenever I'm overwhelmed, whenever, overwhelmed is the right term. Whenever I'm overwhelmed, I have his doors open. And we have a pact that we are each other's sounding board. So while we talk it out, so it, things become very easier. You're able to differentiate between what is noise and what is the problem in hand.
Yeah, yeah.
So that ways you're able to, and once the problem is identified, I think you've reached half your half there. So that openness and the lateral system that my ND has,
Communication as well.
yes, the open communication and the open system that we have bought, the lateral system that we have in the organization, I try to mirror it for my team also. And the nature of business is also such because we work for the government and, we're not selling a product, we're not selling a service, we're setting narratives. And, we are a part of a social causes. So that in itself also keeps the team very engaged and very, focused. And of course, as any other company, we try to celebrate all our wins. We try to have that open communication. And we have actually built an environment where we work as family. So if you look at the deeper levels of the organization, from the office boy to the senior leadership, you will find people who have been there in the system since more than a decade, since more than 5 years, 6 years of time. So once they joined,
All the team members and everyone united as per. Yeah. Exactly. That's just really very nice. So, very inspiring time.
thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.